Well, good greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to all of you wonderful souls out there. Chiara Ducasse here. Today on the All Things Health and Well show. Yes, it looks like I'm shirtless, but I'm actually not shirtless. Weird on the camera. But anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys. And it's now Sunday evening, 8:35 p.m. And it's the 30th. It is the last day, second last day of the month. And of course we have the chart, the bars and all of that to look forward to, and what is happening there in the Bitcoin price, and really interested to see where we're at. So I just want to have a look at the charts and see what's going on there. But before I do that, I actually just want to show you, we harvested some of our almonds off our trees, our baby trees actually, and that's how many almonds we got here. I mean, quite a lot of them have been annihilated, and some of them I think just got taken off because the rain has been a lot here. So that's what they look like. Pretty cool for now. So it's quite a nice almond actually, very nice and smooth and soft as well. So looking forward to that. That's just the hard outer shell, and then on the tree it grows in like a cocoon. It's really beautiful to see. So anyways, enough of that. I need to show you the Bitcoin price chart. So let's have a look at it and see what's going on. All right, so let's get a good look here. So basically, as you can see on this candle, as we've spoken about in a previous video, we had a very, very strong buyback volume. So there was a rejection of this price, pulled back up all the way up to here, and way above those two clotheslines. It has found support above the 37,000 level at the moment. But today we've obviously had a little bit of a pull down, but not much. So on the day, it's looking like we have the potential to continue to run up a little bit, and who knows, there might be a little bit of a down, a wick or something like that. But as long as we don't break the bottom of this box, the 35,000 level, let's just call it, if we don't break this bottom, if we break this bottom, we're probably going to definitely come down to the 30,000, 29,000 level, as I've said in previous videos before. But if we even wick down or move sideways within this range, it seems like this box is our major, it seems like a really strong support level at the moment, but only in the next few days will time tell. Now, I just have to point out something here, that first of all, still way under this purple box here, which is our 41,000 level that we have previously mentioned before, and we are way under the ribbons. The ribbons haven't crossed, they haven't turned, so we are still definitely bearish at the moment and under specific levels, even though that is a very strong buy candle on the day chart. So as you can see there on the day chart. And with that being said, we're still way under. So I need to show you what this line looks like. This channel, as you can see here, I drew this on the 4-hour time frame. So let's go have a look on the 4-hour time frame. What is going on here, so that we're a little bit more clear. And let's have a look here, a good look. So as you can see, I drew this from the top of this bar here. Okay, and I pulled it down there, and now over the wonderful strong end. I don't use the word weak because we are not weak, we are strong. We shouldn't be conditioned like that. So this was a bit of a fake out scenario technically, but what I just want to point out is that we touched this line. That was the first point. We touched this line and we touched this line. So we've actually made lower highs on the 4-hour. And technically, if I were to bring a line and draw this line up here, let's do that while we're on the time frame as well. I know I've got plenty lines, but it's so important to just watch the charts all the time. So essentially, we found a level of support on this line, which means that there is action divergence in our pricing here. And there is definitely going to be a huge breakout very soon. So whether it breaks up or down, if it breaks up, we have to break this clear level here at 30, let's call it 39,000. We have to break this level and push up to this 41, 42,000 level in the purple box here. If we break down and we break through this channel here at 37,500, and let's call it below 37,400, below the bar here and below the ribbons, we are probably going to see a little bit of a pull down back, at least to the bottom of the box here, at the very, very least at this point. And that's where we should be looking for some support. But as I drew this line, this channel is descending down, so it might end up reaching this box, which would then mean it would have given a new lower low, which means that, you know, we have to be considerate and very cognizant of what those charts are doing. And as we can see, it's kind of in a consolidation space at the moment between 37,000, 38,000 and 36,000. So it's a pretty good space at the moment. We're finding some support and stability in the price, in the actual price. You know, sometimes the chart really does matter, but you've got to take a look at where price action is taking place and the volume that is taking place within that specific area. So let's just have a look at the weekly and the monthly, because those are very important for us at this point. And obviously we are having to take a look at the important charts. So let's just go here and clean up the chart. And on the weekly, so on the day and we're still bearish. Our signals are still bearish, but this is a very, very phenomenal candle on the weekly chart, because this is actually pointing bullish. Now, if we look at all of the price action that took place here and slightly there, we literally had a pull down and a wick down and a reverse candle and push back up. So push down, wick down, reverse back up. Major push down, wick down, who knows? Maybe it will push back up. And maybe we see like some sort of, on the weekly, that could look like a nice V-shaped recovery. But if we have a look on the monthly, you know, so on the weekly, we want to try and get back above the 46,000 level, actually. The 47,000 level for us to really start looking bullish. So this purple box and this price action here, which would then bring us into not such terrible resistance, but it'll bring us back to a point where we need to, of course, then reconsider the action that's being taken place, the price action in those areas. So this is now the monthly, okay? And on the monthly, I had a good look at the chart this morning, and we actually looked like we were doing super healthy. And I must say, if we can close our monthly candle at the top of our 20 moving average on the ribbon, that'll be a very, very good sign. We would have wicked down and created a somewhat, just in this area. In fact, let me just get my brush so this makes it easier for you. So in this area and this area, we would have created higher highs. So now I'm just going to delete those things quickly. Higher highs and higher lows. And that would be basically the angle that we're looking at that. So I'm not going to keep that there on this chart, but I just wanted to share that with you, because actually, if that plays out, that's going to, and we see a reversal here for the month of February, that'll be very, very positive and very good for us. So just remember, we can still wick down, so we can still come down, tap the 30,000, 31,000 level and pull back up. And that would then, you know, if we can close a candle somewhere here and engulf this candle, that would be the best. So engulfing it would require us to get above the 47K level. So, you know, from my perspective, that's a really good sign for us that we have slowed down on the selling momentum in Bitcoin. And yes, it can still come down a little bit, but at the end of the day, like, these are accumulation zones, and we should be really looking at price action more than anything else. And that's what the elites do. That's what the top 1% of the world do. So why aren't we doing it? And we should be doing it. So I just wanted to share that wonderful update on the technically coming into the last day of the month for January 2022, which is a really good sign. And I think there's going to be some good price action, but with all of the noise out there, all the noise out there, it's just peripheral noise, we should take cognizance that these are wonderful buying points. And if you can buy altcoins at discounted prices, then that's what you should be doing. Because at the end of the day, this is the time for accumulation and building wealth. And of course, this is no financial advice whatsoever, but you guys should look into this yourself. Take a chance, see the links below. I have referral links that you can earn a little bit of, startup capital from putting your links in. You can earn yourself a little bit of a bonus, and I get a little bit of a bonus. So, it's a win-win for us, and it's a win-win for the exchange that you choose, that you want to sign up with. So, let's just have fun. Let's get into this market. Let's make some money together, because at the end of the day, that's what this market's about. And it's longevity, security, and privacy. And of course, we know that you want that. So with that being said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell for any more of this content, because I will be continuing to share this content, but I need you as a community to help vibrate my energy on a high level so that I can come to you with even more wonderful content together. With that being said, thank you very much. Take care. Have a wonderful Sunday evening. And enjoy your time with your beautiful family and friends, whoever you're with, even if you're by yourself. Lots of love.